Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we'll start off with 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and 1 large onion chopped. And we will top that 1 large onion with 1 tablespoon of ground coriander. I chopped the potatoes, about 10 of them, and boiled them in the water after they were diced, then drained them to cool a little. And if you want a stronger flavored taste, you can use about 5 potatoes, but I use 10 because it's seasoned just perfectly for my family. I used about 4 to 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, but I had vegetable oil on hand, so I used that to coat the bottom of this Dutch oven-sized pot. And I will add the onions and the coriander powder together, and I will brown the onions and then top them with the potatoes. Also, I will add all of the spices to the potatoes. Next, we mix the spices together and then add 1 can of peas. So a can is about 12 ounces. Then we mix all of the peas together with the spices and the potatoes and the onions. And I'll show you in a different lighting here what it looks like. Next, we take the pastry and teaspoon sizes of the potato, the filling, and wrap it, sealing it off with the eggs. So you continue to wrap into triangles, just following the pattern. Here I'm going to make 60 sambusa for my family. Next, you drop them into the very hot oil. It doesn't have to be in there for very long. You just wait till they're golden brown. It doesn't take very long at all. And you take them out with the large draining spatula, or if you have tongs, I used my tongs in this case, and you remove them from the hot oil. They don't need to cook in there for that long, or they will burn. This is what it looks like when you drain them. I usually like to put mine on a paper towel to absorb a lot of that oil. And there you have it, Samboosa. I hope you enjoy this simple recipe for your Ramadan finger snacks. Also, I have other videos if you can check them out. I'd really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe and share if you like these videos. Ma'as salama.